guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So today I will be doing a hair review. This hair was sent to me by YDDM. I can't pronounce that name, but you can definitely find them on Amazon and you can go ahead and order your hair. So if you guys are interested to hear all about this hair and see the quality of this hair, just stick around. So they sent me this package. This has in some clip-in extension and they are synthetic. So you can get your synthetic hair on some clip-ins. This is under $30. So this is it. So I got it in this package. So let's see what's inside. So I haven't opened it as yet. So it came in this bag. So I haven't opened it as yet. So let's get right into it. So I got some clips. Got these. I also got two clips as well, so you can sew it on a hair or anything like that. And I get two clips, two handy clips. So this, love this. And then this is the hair. So it is in the length. I don't see any length on it either. This is the length and it's the number 27. This hair comes in this plastic. Well, I'm not going to be installing it because as you can see I'm wearing locks. So this is the hair. And this is, as I said, is the number 27. 27 8H 27. This is the hair. Love the color. It is smooth, it's not coarse, but you can know that it's synthetic hair. Like you really can know that it's synthetic. So this is it. So it's clip-in. So the clip-in, it's sew on it. So I guess this one would be for the back because this is the shortest one. And all of that. So the texture, as I said, you can look on it and know that it's synthetic. It's not shiny, but as you look on it, you can see that it's synthetic. So this is it. So let me check to see how many pieces I got. So that's 1, 2, 3, like 4 pieces. Like 4 pieces can't be. Like this is for someone who has like long hair and they just want to give it a little bit more volume. Like for my hair that is so short, like this wouldn't work for me. But this is it, 4 pieces of clip-in. So if you're interested in this, you can definitely check the link down in my bio, down in the description box, sorry, and check it out. So this is the longest piece. And then you have this piece, and then you have this piece, and then this short piece. So you get 4 pieces. So these are the 4 pieces. I really do think that they should do better as it relates to the amount that comes in the pack, because 4 pieces of hair can't really do your hair. Because if I put 1 piece here and then, because this is like this plus another piece here, it's like 1 row. So it's just like 2 rows of hair. This is just 2 rows of hair. So YDDM, you need to do much better with the pieces and all of that. So I prefer you put at least 10 pieces in it, and if persons want more, they can go ahead and order more. Because even these short pieces, like this is so small for the back. Like this is so small. Like what's that? You need to fix that. This needs to fix. This needs to fix, y'all. Fix it. Yeah. And as I said, it's in the number 27 and all of that. So if you guys are interested in clip-ins under $30, you can definitely look down in my description box. You can click the link and you can go ahead and purchase. As I said, it's from YDDM on Amazon. Can't pronounce the store, so I'm going to be leaving the name down here so you guys can check it out and all of that. If you have any question, you can leave a comment and all that. If I can answer, I will definitely do so. So again, this is it, clip-ins, 4 pieces, and that's so. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's short, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay? So, thank you guys. Bye.